how to download YouTube Studio app on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the YouTube Studio app on your device. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom. Then tap on the search bar. Type in YouTube Studio and search for it. Select the first search result for YouTube Studio. Tap on the install button. The YouTube Studio app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can now use the YouTube Studio app on your device. Simply tap open. Select the Google account or the brand account with the YouTube channel that you want to track and see the analytics. Finally, tap the Get Started button. Then, you will see analytics of your YouTube channel. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install the YouTube Studio app on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.